Hi, this is Paul with Promisec, and in this short instructional video, we're going to review the results of a recently ran Promisec inspection. Let's go ahead and begin. We're going to go ahead and launch our compliance console, and this is where all the results of our inspections come in. With Promisec's agentless solution, nothing is installed on the endpoint, but we have the ability to bring back objects that are not within the compliance of what the security policy should be. In this use case, we can see we don't have antivirus installed. In this use case, we can see the SCCM agent's not installed. We've even discovered a bad hash that was scored by VirusTotal and sent back to our console, telling us that we have an executable process that has been scored bad. So we can take action. After seeing this, we can do what we call right-click remediation, where you can right-click on it and do various tasks. Here in this use case, we can install the virus software into there. We could browse out to the executable, the MSI, the MSU, and run the installer and fire it on down to the endpoint. We can even do other things as well. In this use case, we can see that we have a bad hash. So we want to go ahead and see what antivirus engines scored it bad. So we automatically can do what we call right-click remediation, or take an action in this case, and go to VirusTotal. We automatically will send just the hash out to VirusTotal over port 80, and then we'll see the scores coming back from the 57 named AV engines that VirusTotal uses. And as you can see, the ones that have scored it as being bad. We can also do further tasks here as well. Here we have the ability to then automate tasks. So Promisec, instead of having to right click and remediate it, Promisec can automate those tasks for you. Whether it's in this use case, a DLP agent not being deployed onto the endpoint. We'll automatically kick it off to that endpoint, fire the MSI, follow all the proper delimiters, validate its installation, and then customize it in the registry to point to the correct update server. This includes running VB scripts. This includes running PowerShell commands. So there's a lot of different tasks that you can do. You can even schedule them. So when users go home, you can maintain change management windows and kick these off as soon as they're available on the workstations to be done. And because we're not push and pray, we get the results back on what we've updated onto those endpoints. We can also quickly report on this. So you do have the ability to report on what you find in your enterprise. Promisec has over 67 pre-canned reports, summary and detail, that can be quickly executed. They can be generated and automatically emailed to key stakeholders that need that information. Thanks for listening to the results of a Promisec inspection.